So what should you be looking for when you go and do your house tour? We're going to talk about that next.
Hey everybody, John Diaz here.
Hey guys, John Diaz, your Arizona Realtor. Welcome to The Real Deal, where we focus on people, not properties. Where we want to make you real savvy about the real estate process, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. So today we're going to talk about what you should be looking for when you go through your home tour. So one of the most important things you want to do when you come on these tours is have something to take notes with. You want a pen and paper. That way you can write down and remember things about the house, or at least remind you about the house. That way you know when you take a look at it, things that you need to check out. Usually when I come out, I have a checklist that's already printed for my clients, and that way they can fill it out, and it has all the things that they should try to check out and make notes on. That way they have an idea and they don't get caught up in the moment and miss out on things. You want to make sure the first impression is a great one. You don't get a second chance to make one, so you want to make sure that it's clean, tidy, and inviting. You want to make sure you're taking a good look at the exterior of the home, windows, the fascia, the paint, because these are all things as an owner you're going to have to take care of. So you may want to make sure that you're taking a look at them and taking note of them. When you go into these homes, you want to make sure that the floor plan works for you. You want to check out and see that there's enough natural light. You like the windows, you like the fireplace, you like the kitchen appliances. These are all things that are important, and if they're important enough to you, you want to make sure that it's something that you appreciate and that's something you want in your home. Now, things like colors and paint, that can all be changed. So don't make your decision on the home based on paint colors. Do you want tile? Do you want carpet? Does the carpet need to be replaced? These are all things that need to be checked on when you go and check out these homes. Does it have a room for your hobbies? Garage space, you want to make sure the garage is the right size for you. It's got room for your vehicles. It's got room for your storage. If you need a deep set garage or a higher garage, it's something you need to check out too and make sure that that's the case. Does it have room for your toys? Along with items you want to look at the roof. You want to make sure you don't see any cracked tiles. You want to make sure that it looks like it's been upkept and in reasonable good condition. Again, you'll have an inspection, but these are things that you can check out before you actually make an offer on a home. Maintenance, you want to check out the air conditioning unit. You want to make sure that it looks like it's in good shape. Does it look new? Does it look like it's been beat up? Does it look like it's in rough shape? These are all items that may cost you in the end if you don't pay attention to them when you go and take these tours. If there's a pool, you want to make sure that it's in good condition. You want to check out the pool deck. You want to check out the tile around, make sure there's no broken tile or broken items, cracks. Just make sure this one's kept in well condition, because ultimately when you take over, it's going to be your problems if there are problems. And with there being a pool, you want to check out the pool equipment to see if it's in reasonably well shape. Again, you will have that inspected, but you want to make sure that it looks like it's in reasonable condition and it's in working condition. Landscaping, you want to make sure that it's reasonable to you that you're going to be able to upkeep the amount of landscaping as in this home. Now, does it have grass? Does it have desert landscaping? These are all items that you need to check out before you decide that this is the home that you want. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you're ready to start your home search, I'd love to help. You can contact me by call or text at 480-442-4651. You can email me or direct message me on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have a great day.